The fairy tales can come true. It can happen to you if you're young at heart. For it's hard you will find to be narrow of mind if you're young at heart. You can go to extremes with impossible schemes. You can laugh when your dreams fall apart at the seams. And life gets more exciting with each passing day. And love is either in your heart or on its way. Don't you know that it's worth every treasure on earth to be young at heart? For as rich as you are, it's much better by far to be young at heart. Oh yeah. And if you should survive to 105, look at all you'll derive out of being alive. And here is the best part. You had a head start if you are among the very young at heart. Happy birthday, Harry. Stay young, eh? Let's go make one of your cocktails. In honor of Harry's 100th birthday, 100 years. Can you imagine? 100 years? That's hard to believe. Good for you, Harry. In honor of his 100th birthday, we're gonna make one of his classic cocktails, the Hawaiian Eye. Now, I think it was like 1952 when Harry Yee got a job at the Hilton Hawaiian Village Hotel. It wasn't until 1959 when that hit television series, Hawaiian Eye, actually made its debut on the airwaves. And they actually filmed it at that hotel where Harry was working. I recently spoke with Harry's daughter, Marilyn, to ask her if she or Harry had any other information on the Hawaiian Eye. She spoke with her dad, and he said that at that time the show was partially being filmed in the Shell Bar at the Hilton Hawaiian Village, where Harry worked. Well, people started writing into the show asking about the drinks being served on camera to the cast, and I guess in the background. Anyway, because of this, Harry was requested to come up with a tropical cocktail named after the show. So now you know. Now, if you do a search, you may find other bartenders claiming that they invented the Hawaiian Eye. Like in 1963, bartender Tony Ramos claimed to have created the drink while working at the China Trader restaurant in Toluca Lake, California. But by examining the dates, the timelines don't add up. Harry's version was first. So, let's make the Hawaiian Eye, Harry's version. First up is some white rum. I've got Havana Club 3-year-old Añejo from Cuba, a 1/4 ounce. And a Jamaican rum, dark rum. Myers I've got 3/4 ounce. The last rum that Harry chose in his cocktail was another dark rum. Now, nowhere can I find what kind. So today I'm using Black Seal, Goslings. And again, 3/4 ounce. All right. Grapefruit juice is next. I've got a nice ripe one right over here. Okay, and we're just gonna cut that. And get to juicing. Yeah. Fresh. You gotta go fresh, Oh boy, that's a juicy grapefruit, isn't it? And we're just gonna double strain this right into here, get all that pulp out. There we go. There's your 3 ounces right there. Beauty. All right, set that off to the side. Next up is guava juice. Now I've got 2, you know, what the heck? That's a lot of guava juice. No, we don't need that much. I've got store-bought guava and I've got homemade guava. And you wonder, you know, well, why do I have both? Well, I haven't really experimented a lot with guava juice before. So I thought I'd buy some originally. And this is not a bad little product because it's only got guavas, sugar, and citric acid. That's it. Same with my homemade. It's real easy to make your own homemade guava juice. Just peel these, and you want about a cup. And then you want about maybe 2 tablespoons of sugar and a half cup of water, and just blend this stuff and double strain it out. So it's a little more work, and I thought I'd just experiment, see which one I like best. So let's do a little taste test. Store-bought, the consistency there. It's nice, actually. Tastes like guava juice. It's good. And my homemade, which is a little thicker, for sure. Definitely fresher. Either or would work fine for this cocktail. I'm going with homemade because it does taste fresher. But if you're lazy, buy some store-bought. Okay, let's continue. So what we want is 1.5 ounces of our homemade guava juice. Yeah, baby. Add our grapefruit juice, 3 ounces, and add 1.5 ounces of our guava juice. And a splash of simple syrup, just a splash. And some bitters, Angostura bitters, couple dashes. Grab some ice. And shake it like a Hawaiian eye. Shake the damn thing. Oh yeah. Loving it. Okay, grab a hurricane glass, fill it full of fresh ice. And just strain it out. Oh yeah, Hawaiian Eye. Interesting color. Sweet. Oh yeah. Liking it. Garnish. Well, I'm not sure, but I guess pineapple is a staple of Hawaii. So we're gonna drop that in there. And of course, we need a little parasol because, well, it was Harry Yee that came up with the parasol in 1959 in the Tap of Punch. So we're gonna pop that in, and a straw. How beautiful is that? The Hawaiian Eye by Harry Yee. I'm liking it. Rum is just flooding my mouth, but then all of a sudden it's like tampered down by the juices that we used. You know, it's not sweet, it's not sour, it's beautiful. I mean, the guava juice is somewhat sweet. Obviously, the grapefruit isn't. This is a beautiful thing, Harry. Happy birthday, Harry. You did fine. Really, it's good, refreshing. Make one. Check. No more than usual, is it?
A little bit.
Was it? Maybe it's the other way around. Maybe it's this way. Check. Was that it?
Yeah,
that was it. That was it from before, eh?
We're not in a cave. Yeah.
Partial funding for BarTalk&Cocktails is provided by Patreon. For just a few dollars a month, you get access to lots of extra stuff. Behind-the-scenes videos, podcasts, newsletters, some of my own personally created cocktails, and much, much more. Become one of my patrons today and help keep us going. Thanks in advance. Cheers. I got my Hawaiian eyes. Oh, all the better to see you with. I got my sunflowers too. Happy birthday, Harry. Ah, this is a gorgeous thing. You did well, let me tell you. Hit the subscribe button, check the other videos out, and make this a tropical delight. The Hawaiian Eye.